The really good features of this nest box is it's made from really nice thick ply. The thicker it is, the more insulation for the animal. Lashings of paint are really good because it insulates the box and it preserves it. The bottom has to have some drainage holes because sometimes it can get a bit damp in there. I've made a latch for the top in case the wind catches it. Inside, you can see there's a little ladder, and on the outside there, you shouldn't ever put carpet or wire or anything like that for them to climb on because it can endanger the animals. So the size of the hole is really, really important, and animals want it to be exactly the size of their head so only they can get into and no predators can follow them. To put it up a tree, at a minimum you need some strong but soft tying wire and a pair of pliers. You make a loop of wire, it's got a bit of garden hose on the back, and that'll go through the box and loops around the tree. The reason we've got the hose on is to protect the tree from being cut by the wire. So you can see this one's only about 2.5 metres up. It doesn't need to be really high. It's got a really big hole, so that's good for something like a brush-tailed possum. The wire's got a zigzag in it, this one, so that as the tree grows, the wire can expand. This is ideal for something like a little feather-tail glider that's about the size of your thumb. And this is parked under the shade of this tree. Nest boxes need to be under shade 100% of the time.